It's Tuesday the 1st of April. We're looking at a weekly chart of the Euro versus the US dollar. You can see this goes back to July 2012, or the beginning of 2012 here. And of course we've been in a fairly steady uptrend all the way. We had this little blip down at the beginning of last year, but yeah, we can see quite clearly we've been in a decent weekly uptrend for the euro versus the US dollar. More recently, we've sold off a little bit. This is the daily chart now. Once we hit this trend line goes back to the 25th of October. Once we hit that trend line on the 13th of March, we took a tumble quite significantly. We've been edging lower, trending lower recently, just to unwind this overbought daily stochastic here, but you can see the daily stochastic has now become oversold. We held our fib support level at 137.11, which also coincides with the 55-day moving average, so that worked quite nicely where we were looking for a low and a buying opportunity, and that did work. So we've seen a decent bounce off there now. We've run into trouble at the 138.10.20 area. As expected yesterday, that was pretty much the high for the day as we thought it would be. So we're going to have to see if we can tackle this during the week and perhaps get through there. Obviously it is a big obstacle, it won't be easy to overcome, but if we can just get a close above sort of 138.20, that would certainly be more positive, and it would allow this oversold stochastic to start bouncing back, and we could push on again and continue the longer term uptrend that we saw on the weekly chart. Short term 4-hour chart, not really saying an awful lot, but there is certainly some more room on the upside according to the stochastic at least. So again, if we can just get through this 138.10.20 area, we'll push on to 138.50.55. If we can get above this 138.76 high here, there's not really an awful lot of way to stop us going to retest the recent highs at 139.60.65.